The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is T is equal to twice pi root over L over G. Measured value of L is 20 cm, known to 1 mm accuracy, and time for 100 oscillations of the pendulum is found to be 90 seconds using a wrist watch of 1 second resolution. The accuracy in the determination of G is number 1 3%, number 2 1%, number 3 5%, and number 4 2%. Here T equal to 2 pi root L by G. So T square is 4 pi square L over G. So G is 4 pi square L over T square is equal to 4 pi square L T to the power minus 2. The accuracy in the determination of G is the percentage error in G. According to error analysis, percentage error in G is del G over G multiplied by 100% is equal to del L over L multiplied by 100% plus twice del T over T multiplied by 100%. So, time for one oscillation of the pendulum is 90 over 100 seconds, this is 0.9 second. T is 0.9 second and del T is 1 by 100 second, that is 0.01 second. Putting these values in del G over G multiplied by 100%, we get 0.1 multiplied by 5% plus 2 by 0.9%, that is 0.5% plus 20 by 9%, that is 2.7%, which is approximately equal to 3%. So the answer is 1. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe the channel.